You can see the snow still up the mountain. Day after snow has been falling right now, and I'm going to put down some liquid iron on the lawn. But look how sunny it is. Bruh. What a change in weather. Spring come at me now. This needs to be fixed. Look at that. Big strip just there of where I missed last time with that iron and that supercharged mixed. It's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. So just a really quick video today is going to put down some liquid fert, so some nitrogen with some iron. I think there's a bit of manganese in there as well. Manganese, pronounced that right, boy. And some phosphider, which has got some phosphorus, potassium, and all that fun stuff. So let's mix them up and spray it out. So I'm basically just spraying it out because I've got the, they call it the Fertiliser here in Orange. Just come and do an interview at my house, and I've got some dirty strips here, like I said before. So I'm just trying to get rid of them so it looks nice. I've got a day, 24 hours for this to kick in because they're coming tomorrow at about this time. So hopefully it makes a difference. But I haven't put a liquid fert out for a while, and the lawn is kicking into gear. As you can see, we've got some growth going just here. Look at that. Even after snow. Along here as well. So, you know, why not chuck some liquid fert down to get our season kicked off and spring on its way. Dang it, I didn't think about this. Now I have to get this up off the ground when it's this full. The ground is wet as. And I'll put my bum down there. Save your back, kids. Just realised I have to take these pants off or put these on because liquid iron stains and can make your pants go yellow. Just like my shed. So, my boots got snow in them, my gum boots, so I have to wear my work boots. Which normally I don't recommend you wear work boots when you're spraying because, yeah, it's not smart using work boots. Because it can still soak into your boots, and guess what? Your feet's the worst place for any chemicals to go because it absorbs it really quickly. But what I'm using today, these products are pretty safe. I definitely wouldn't do with insecticides though. Yeah, just for all you safety Nazis out there. Got these on, and I'm gonna put some boots on. Or just so I don't get my shoes dirty. So to avoid getting spots that you miss like this, like some silly sausage did earlier on when he sprayed last time, go in two directions. So I fill my knapsack up with a bit more water this time, and I'm going to go over it in two directions. So I don't want to look stupid again. But yeah, that's all you got to do. If you want to look like a pro when you're really not. Alright, let's do this. Don't even miss that. Think I might be over my drive. I'll tell you why I reckon I know I missed spraying. It's because I had to move the camera. That's what happens when you do YouTube. You have to move the camera all the time when you're spraying, so probably move the camera at those points. I'm just making up excuses now. Second run. Let's go. Oh, I could not fake it, no matter how I tried. Ooh, you cured my aching heart when you came. Excuse me, camera. Get the spray there. And at the gate. Ooh, how much do I have left in it? Have I ever done it? Let's have a look. So I've done the backyard I've done 2 passes on the backyard. How many leaves have we got left? I'm looking in the window behind you, by the way, that's so I can see what's in here. We've got about 5 litres. That should be just enough to get over the front and the side section as well. Let's hope it does. I hate filling up halfway through. Not fun.
One thing they will promise, they're building you a throne. If only you had seen, they won't leave the truth alone. And now you can see the world, but you're blind.
Right, let's do our next direction now. I think I'll have enough, but the thing that I don't like about it, I love this knapsack, but the one thing I don't like is when you get like down to the last 2 litres, litre or 2, I can never tell because it's on my back. But it starts just struggling a bit because where it takes in the actual fertiliser, whatever you're spraying out, if you're not leaning to that side or there's a little bit of water not dropping in there, it doesn't spray it out and it gets some air on the line. Pain in the butt. Anyway, what I normally do is just do like a weird little sort of little angle thing and walk it out. Come on, Brie. Is it that side or that side? So you see that? You see how there's still liquid in there? And it's getting air in the line and not working. And nothing's coming out. That's what I'm talking about. Frustrating. Ah, there you go. Right, knapsack all triple rinsed, all done. So I'll show you guys some results. I'll just flick them over the screen now, what it's going to look like tomorrow. I won't do an update video tomorrow of how it flips around. I'll just get a little bit of camera footage, but yeah. Hopefully it turns around, we get a bit of green colour and those patches disappear a little bit. See what happens, I guess. Might even get the drone up tomorrow and see if you can see it from the sky. If it looks good, if it doesn't, then you won't see any drone shots. It's crazy, man. Like, I'm sweating today and we had snow yesterday. So spring's definitely on coming along. Probably doesn't help that I'm wearing like gangster pants to make me sweaty, but it's all good. But I'm so keen for spring. Keen to show you guys what's going on with this channel, all the stuff that's happening. Really excited, but yeah, I thought I'd just shoot a quick video today while I was spraying it. I wasn't originally going to, but I thought I'll just get the camera out anyway and make a little short video, so hopefully you enjoyed it. Please. Oh, PS, get that gimbal out of the way. Video coming on the Accelerpin GR very soon.